Hi World History students! So I just want to do a really quick video for you because you are doing your first SAQ for the course, and that is a big deal because short answer questions are what's going to be on your final. So you want to make sure that you understand how to write a short answer question. You will see this language on your rubric as well, so I just wanted to introduce you to the ACE writing strategy that we have for short answer questions. First off, I get this a lot, like how long should a short answer question be? You need to be able to answer it fully, okay? Sometimes this is 4 to 5 sentences. For other people, it might be 6 to 8 sentences, but you need to have all of these particular pieces on this piece of paper written, okay? I guess it's not really a piece of paper, is it? It's on my computer. So here we go, okay? This is the ACE writing strategy. It's easy to remember because we have ACE, right? ACE. Answer the question is the first piece up there. You want to make sure that you answer the question completely. This is where you're going to use keywords from the question in your answer, and this is what your claim is going to be, okay? So that is the A part of the ACE. C is the citing evidence from the text or citing evidence, content evidence from your head. Okay, so sometimes these short answer questions will have sources that go along with it, and sometimes they're just going to be straight, like, forward questions, compare and contrast, or cause and effect, or something like that, okay? So you're going to have to make sure that you know. So when you cite evidence, you're going to use clear, specific examples from the text that supports your claim, or you're going to use clear, consistent evidence from your head or from whatever you've read previously in the course or assignments that you've done that you have. So, for example, if you were, say, doing something on the fall of Rome, and you talked about how there was, there were, I don't know, like 22 emperors in 50 years for political instability, okay? That right there would be your content evidence. Does that make sense? Okay. Or say if you were doing something for the Industrial Revolution and you had something like James Watt invented the steam engine, okay, that would be your content evidence. That's like the difference, okay? So once you have content evidence, though, you need to be able to explain or expand why is that important? Why do you have that content evidence? Okay, so you want to explain the connection between your evidence and your claim. How does that evidence actually answer the question? That's the explaining, that's the expanding, okay? This elaborates the support for the example. And my favorite, the so what? What's the significance? Okay, if you haven't noticed, I haven't had you like memorizing 1,000 dates in this course because that's not what history is about. It's about the significance of these particular events, okay? So you have to be able to explain why it's significant. Please let me know if you have any questions. I hope that the ACE writing strategy helped you out. And good luck on your SAQ.